Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to convert the uppercase letters to proper case. Proper case in the sense, let us take an example. This is Excel tutorial. So in this case, what we have to do is T has to be in capital, HIS has to be in small case, I in capitals and S in small letters. This is called as proper case. For this, what we have to do is we need to go to the next cell and give is equal to proper and then open brace and select the text. It will select the cell reference and end the brace and click on enter. You see here, right? The uppercase text has been converted to the proper case or title case. If you wanted to extend the same text to all the cells, you need to select the cell value and drag it till where you wanted. So it will change all the uppercase letters to the proper case or title case. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials like this.